Hello and welcome in my third vlog. Got some stuff from Alpina shop and why don't we unbox it? Okay, so let's open it up. It is Alpina pin with B10 Biturbo lettering. It is the 30th anniversary pin of E34 B10 Biturbo. It was the fastest saloon at the time. It was produced in 507 pieces. So this is the second box. It has something inside. Let's open it up. So this is keychain, again 30th anniversary B10 Biturbo. It has emblem on one side and Alpina lettering, hot press in the leather with nice feel of Lavalina leather and really nice red stitching on both sides. What astonishing me, it's the detail of this lettering, B10 Biturbo. It's the same one as it was on B10 Biturbo car. And this keychain is limited to 291 pieces. It's the same number as B10 Biturbo E34 had the maximum speed or Hochgeschwindigkeit. Okay, so here we have the third box. It's a bit bigger than the other two, and let's open it up and see what's inside. This one is it. Okay. Oh, so Alpina wallet, black leather, really nice firm fit to it, and nice Lavalina leather with green stitching, and Alpina emblem. Feels metallic, probably it's made out of aluminium. Inside we have the place for cards, one side pocket here, and this is the place for cards with Alpina lettering. Probably if you put the card in, you cover the Alpina lettering that so beautifully stands out. It's probably better to put it here. And we have mesh pocket here with, seems like Alpina textile in the back, yeah. And again, card pockets and two side pockets. No side pocket here. Here we have pocket for change with, oh, it extends really well and with great detail, handmade it in Bavaria. Again, everywhere green stitching like you see on steering wheels. And here we have place two pockets for paper bills with Alpina textile inside. Okay, this was everything. If you like it, please give me a thumb up, subscribe, or visit me on my Facebook page or Instagram page. Down here somewhere should be written. Okay, see you later. Bye.